Check this out. Now I had a battery drain on this car, right? Battery drain. When I crank this thing up, almost has no voltage to get in the week. Look at that check gauge light. Well, it's not really that low, but I had a suspicion it wasn't charging. We're not charging. 11.86 volts. Look at that light. I don't know what this thing is running off. The battery, maybe? I don't know. Why? Why did the alternator just crap out? Maybe I had a bad diode in there and it was burning off the power? I don't know. That sucks. Now I gotta get an alternator for this thing. Why? Check it out. I get 11.98, but it still starts on that. Which is strange. This car, man. I don't know. I don't know about this car. Oh, lost my keys again. Starts slow, but it starts. Now it's lower. Maybe my terminals could be loose. I was screwing with those. Those alternators are just a piece of shit. I don't know. I was screwing with a lot of stuff in the electrical system. It was fine last week. Now it isn't. I was playing with these fuses. You know, I did a little hot wire deal on each dash. I don't think that did nothing. What the hell? I don't know, we got work to do now. Now we're back to 11.93. Well, that kind of explains, you know, it's going to be a little bit lower running. But, yeah. Tight. I don't know. What is going on? Piece of shit. Piece of shit car. 47,000 miles, needs the name alternator, just crapped out of nowhere. But it could have been, like I said, a diode. I don't know. Hate to put more money into this thing. Really do. Really do. Hey, no change! Nothing. What the hell? I don't even sound right. It's not whining. What is going on? Did I break something? I don't know. It's just too whatever. Coincidental. Now I'm pissed. Gotta go consult my manual. So, take old mirror out. And install this mirror, put a relay in it. The relay does not stay hot when the car is idling. Alright. A week later, battery's dead. Week after that, whenever I fix all this crap up. No. It was, I fixed this crap up, and a week after that, the battery's dead. Then I check it again a week later, which is today. And the car's dead again, but it's not charging. Last week it was charging. Yes, I did pull a bunch of fuses out of this thing. Unhooked that ground, but that's back to where it was. I actually disconnected the mirror just to rule that out. I thought that was kind of maybe causing a draw, but probably not. And now, I'm not charging. What the hell is going on with this piece of junk?